Good morning, everyone. My name is Suyash. I'm going to tell you a story about the genius. Do you know who is he? Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1789, and his head size was big, and he was weak, and he was very lazy. The doctors also thought that he is mentally retarded. Even parents and even his teachers also thought that he is mentally retarded. As he grew, uh, he could not speak till 4 years old. And one day he was having soup with his parents on the dining table. Suddenly, Albert Einstein said that the soup is hot. The parents were in a shock. His parents asked, "Why didn't you speak anything till now?" But the parents were also happy. Then Albert Einstein said, "Because nothing was going wrong, then why should I speak anything?" And then afterwards he grew more older. Then he became 5 years old. When he was 5 years old, his father gifted him a compass. From the Albert Einstein whichever Albert Einstein used to turn, always the compass point on north side. From that day, he had a great interest in science. Then he also did not like to comb his hairs, and he never liked to dress up nicely. He never liked to wear socks because the socks always used to get torn. And do you know now that hairstyle which he never used to comb his hair, now it is called as genius hairstyle. Well, he also had a great interest in maths and science. And do you know his IQ was, mostly people have IQ as 100 till 90, but 90 till 100, but his IQ was 160, which is the highest till now. And Albert Einstein also got many awards in many things, like he also got a prize of Nobel Prize for photoelectric effect. He also got prize in that. Even he got a prize on general and special theory of relativity. And even the Times magazine also gave him award as the best person in the century. And after the World War I and World War II were over, the persons asked him, "What are you going to use in World War III?" The Albert Einstein said, "I don't know about World War III, but yeah, I know that in World War IV we'll go in Stone Age and we'll start fighting with stones because nothing will be left." And once they went to a planetarium, and her wife said, "What is this?" That was a telescope. Then the scientist thought, "Yeah, she don't know anything. She is not so intelligent." Then she said, "With this telescope, we will learn more facts about planets." Then her wife said, "You have to use this. My husband can even do these all things in a simple paper and pencil." And and uh, and also and he also was very intelligent. Although he was very intelligent, but he used to forget dates and numbers. One day he was traveling in a bus. The conductor came near him and asked the ticket. Albert Einstein started to search the ticket in his bag, in the seats, but he did not got it. Then the conductor said, "It's okay. I can believe that you have brought the ticket. You had purchased the ticket." Then the conductor went to other passengers and started to check the ticket. Then he was still finding the ticket. Conductor said, "It's okay, I don't need the ticket." Then, then Albert Einstein said, "But I need my ticket because I don't know where am I traveling." And also he all and one day he went to interview. The interview person asked his phone number. Then he started to search his phone number in a directory. Then the person asked him, "Why can't you learn your phone number?" Then Albert Einstein said, "Why to learn those things which are already mentioned in books?" And do you know he also was what he say he also liked to travel in the he also liked to travel in a ship, but he did not know how to drive a car. And one day he was traveling in a ship, and in his mouth he was doing cigar, and suddenly he fall off in the water. Then everybody helped him. Then when he helped him, they saw that Albert Einstein was freely doing smoking, and like this Albert Einstein liked very much cigar, and he liked to smoke also very much. And now he grew up older and older, and he also then he also had an some heart failure. And then the doctor asked him, if you want, then if Albert Einstein wanted to live, he could live more, but he said, "No, I don't want to live an artificial life. I'm okay with this. How much I had to live, I live." And he went away with peacefully. And Dr. Thomas Harvey stole his brain and ran away from there. And the doctors fired him out from the job. And then the Dr. Thomas Harvey also promised them he will find what were there, how he was very intelligent. And this is the story of Albert Einstein. And how did you like it? Thank you.